Hello everyone, my name is Aman India and welcome to my channel. So today we are dealing with the questions of February long challenge, and this is the second question, maximize function. And this question is really simple, and yeah, maybe you find it tricky, but this question is really simple. It's all about the logic of when you just go with the numbers, it always gives the same numbers, or if it's same then it's going to be okay. Let's go with the questions, that would be easy. Okay, so you are given a sequence of a1, a2, an. Okay, these are the number they have given the sequence. Find the maximum value of expression ax minus ay. Mod is also there, please note that point. Okay, mod is also there, which it is a machine that always give positive numbers. Whether you put anything, the function is being done inside, and after that it always throw positive numbers. So this is mod is given. So ax minus ay minus az minus ax over all triple or pairwise distinct valid of x, y, z. Okay, so the question is actually they have given you the sequence of number and you have to choose x, y, z from that number. X, Y, Z actually represent the position of a number, and you have to choose that number, and after that choosing that number you have to find a pair, find that number, find that position. After that the sum of those, or the sum of this function, the sum of this function gives the maximum value, and this is the question. I might think that you will be thinking as this is a tough question, but please be with me. I'm just going to make it so easy for you that you in just one you are going to complete this question. Okay, so in this question, the first thing they are asking, the test cases are there. Okay, test cases are there. After that, the first line would be n, that the number of input they are giving, and this would be input. Okay, so this is basically the question. Yeah, and output the maximum value. Okay, so let's go with the pseudo code on this whiteboard. Okay, so basically we have to give, they have given you n number, they have given you test cases. After that they have given test cases, they have given you n numbers, and after that array of n numbers. Okay, array of n numbers, like the list of numbers they are given. Okay, and you have to find you have to take position x, y, z, which gives the maximum value of ax minus ay minus az, and az minus ax. But the mod is also there, right? So mod is also there with the addition and all. So this is the question. You have to find that x position, and they have given you test cases, number of inputs, and those numbers. This is the question. Okay, so let me give you a trick. Okay, let me give you the pseudocode. So always remember, take as an example of 2 2 2, test cases 1, number of input 3, 2 2 2. So whether you take any one of, like whether you take x as a 2, y as a 2, like always all are going to same, the answer always is going to be 0. Okay, so this one, so this will become our first test case. This will become our first test case. Let me prove it for you. Okay, so put ax, the value of ax. Okay, ax take is position 1. Okay, x की value position 1 ले लेते हैं, and y we will take 2, and this one would be 3. Okay, z would be 3. So ax minus ay always 0 mod, plus ay minus az again 0. We are taking second position minus third position, and the position value of second and third is 2 and 2, so always 0. And this one is also going to be 0, so it's going to be whether mod, in mod when it's 0 always going to give to 0, the value would be 0. So this is going to be your first test case. Okay, completed. After that we will go with the some values as random value, 1 3 5 and 8. Okay, let's take these are the value. Okay, and our formula is, always remember, ax minus ay mod ay minus az and aj minus ax, okay, aj minus ax. This is the formula. So take x as a whether. Now how to choose? The main question is how to choose x, y and z. This is the main question. So brother, for this question, the simplest thing is that sort this just sort this numbers, sort this numbers in descending order. So when we sort this in descending order, 8 5 3 1, okay, and always like take z or x, any of that, this as a first number, okay, take z as the first number, the biggest value, because biggest values, when in the picture biggest values come, when in picture the biggest value is going to become, then that is only going to give you the maximum value. If you didn't believe me, check this out, put the value, okay. So take z as this and x as this one, the first value, okay. Why I had taken this? You also may ask the question that Aman, why you have taken this value? So for that, if we put z as a maximum and x as a minimum, then we are going to take the maximum value. We are going to have the maximum value. This would be maximum, okay. So at least we are making the maximum. It means the possibilities of getting the maximum value had been increased. And for y, you just take any number you are going to take, because y is always playing with all of them, x and y. So whether you take y any number, the answer is going to be same. So put y is equal to that n minus 2 position and z as the first position, 0th position, okay. So this you have to do first, okay. So first sort the arrays of value. After that, put the value of z as the first element of the array, and the last this value as a first x value, okay. You are going to put the last value, that least element, as a x, and after that the list minus 1 we will put y, okay. So this is basically you have to do for the question, and you are going to get the maximum result. This is the pseudo code. Let me write the pseudo code for you in a simple way, like in a English order, like, okay, like in English. So you just sort the array in descending order. Please don't mind my spelling. I always be wrong with the spellings. Sort the array in descending order. After that, put the value of z as the first element means 0, okay. So it would be array 0. This is going to be your z, okay. After that, put the value of x as the last element of the array, and it would be your array n minus 1, okay. After that, put the value of y as n minus 2, as array n minus 2. You're going to put the value for this, okay, and just this is done. You have to just return that value, okay. And yeah, for mod, one thing I just left for the mod, okay, array n minus 2, okay. Yeah, and for mod there is a function, I think it's for p something I didn't remember, I have used from the internet for that function. So you can also do this only if that after that you just go with the things. After a or ax minus, you put that value ax, that arr x minus y, okay. So you just combine it out, okay, array y, this is the first thing, okay. So if it is less than 0, then you multiply it by minus 1, else leave it. and you have to do this only and return the whole return that whole ax, return the whole thing, that ax minus thing, ax minus ay, that formula thing, return that formula thing, the same formula thing, and that would definitely going to be your answer. Okay, that is definitely going to be your answer. So this is basically an approach that you have to go for things. This would be your answer, and this is basically an approach that you should follow, and things would be okay. So, and more videos are also there for this thing, and I'm going to upload more questions of this February long challenge. So please subscribe my channel and be with me, and more opportunities videos are there on my channel. Please check out those also. It's not only about questions. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.